Hello viewers, welcome to Feast-o-Rama. Today we bring to you Pyaji or Pyaz Pakora. Let's get started. We start by chopping a couple of onions and separate them using our hands. To that we add some chilies. To it we add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon red chili powder. Add freshly ground black pepper and peri spices. Although these are optional, depends on your taste. Now we mix everything very well. Now the trick is to add the ground gram flour part by part. That will make it easy to handle. Give it a good mix, ensuring everything is coated properly. Now add just enough water to make the batter sticky. In a small pan, add oil for deep frying. Allow the oil to heat up. Now make small dallops from the batter and put it in the oil. Fry both sides until it's golden brown in color. Now remove the fried pakoras from the oil. Tasty pakoras are ready to enjoy with a dip of your choice. We hope you liked our recipe. Do review in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our new videos. Take care.